What's up YouTube, it's your boy Felix back again with another video. Make sure you enter into my giveaway. All the information should be down on the description bar below. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button as well. And follow me on all my social media. And yes, let's just get into today's video. I got a delivery today. That's right, from Nike. Let's just open it up. And there we go. All black Nike box. Nike in like that shiny black. So yeah, I did manage to hit on the Fragment high dunks in that wine black white colorway in the UK 11, my size on sneakers. I was lucky. So yeah, let's open it up. Pretty different box to normal dunk boxes. Boom, nice. White inside, white paper with Nike in there. And there we go.
Wow.
Let's just get them out.
Ooh, I can already tell that the materials feel nice.
Oh yeah. For that price though, I don't know. So yeah, these retail for 130, I think 130 pounds over here in the UK. And yeah, let's just have a quick feel and a quick smell test.
Oh, yeah.
That's how a dunk should smell. There you go, let's hit up the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit sniffing glue.
So yes, here we go. So at first feel, it's a nice leather. It's not too stiff. On here on a toe box, nicely perforated in that wine colorway that they put on the description. Black going around on the body of the shoe, black swoosh, white midsole, black outsole. The tongue has that Nike in there in purple or wine. Laces, no extra laces in any of these pairs, and oh yeah, that feels amazing. So yeah, the sock liner is nicely padded and it is pretty soft. I like it when the dunk highs are made like this. Glue stains here. It seems like Nike are just pumping out all kinds of dunks every single day, it seems. Just on the midsole there, you've got some text written in there, the name of the shoe and Fragment design in there. And of course at the back of the heel here, you've got that Fragment embossed and in white there. And that's on both shoes. You're paying extra money for just that logo, the Fragment logo. Purple stitching, mixed with some black stitching there as well. I do have a Fragment logo in the insole. Nothing else I can notice here. Got the Nike at the bottom here as well. Very iconic outsole. And yeah, it just feels nice. It's just one of those colors where you'd have to get and just look at it and understand. My girlfriend doesn't like them, but my Spartans are it's way better quality, I believe, compared to these Fragment ones. Yeah, way better quality on these ones. Still one of the better designs or better quality leather used in this year, in the dunks that I made this year. And yeah, the smell, I love that smell. Nothing else I can notice that it's different. Flatten out the tongue. Resale, these I'm not going for that much. Right now my size is doing like 161 on StockX. You never know, they could increase over time since it is a Fragment collab. And yes, this is the Beijing colorway. Yeah, best time to get them is now if you want these. I think they're nice. Probably not paying resale anything over 200 of these. I wouldn't right now anyway. If you've liked what I showed today, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, follow me on all my social media, and don't forget to enter into my giveaway. It should be on the description bar below, and I hope to see you in a new video. Peace.